What's up, traders? It's Kaya Trades, and today I have an amazing trade for you. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss how I made more than I make on my check in just less than 2 minutes. So let's go ahead and hop into this breakdown. All right, guys, so I have my charts pulled up, and as you guys know from the title of this video, I have been focusing on the process over my greed because my process is going to work every time and my greed is going to fail me every time. So let's go ahead and break down how I made $250 times 5, which leads me to about $1,200. I work part-time right now, so that's way more than I would get on just one single check in 2 weeks. So let's go ahead and break this down. I start off with my daily time frame. And on my daily time frame from yesterday, here we go. We tap this daily demand and this 1 hour demand. We're gonna see down below that we tap this 4 hour demand as well, or we created a 4 hour demand. But as you can see, market has just been ranging for like all of 2026. It's just been ranging. So it's been kind of interesting to find what trades to take, but I was pretty confident because what I like to first look at when I trade is the 13 EMA. Today's price, we were above the 13 EMA, so I was going into the markets with the idea of wanting to take some buys. Moving down to my 4 hour time frame. Again, after yesterday, we broke some structure here, so I created this 4 hour demand. Mind you guys, we're still in this range. We're still in this range here. We got price coming to this level, rejecting it, 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 not being able to reach the level, and then coming to this level and potentially rejecting it again today. So I marked out the liquidity for the most recent area of liquidity to see if price could potentially go there. Price was not there yet. And then there's some liquidity up here also in this resistance level. So then I go down to my 1 hour time frame, and to start off, I already noticed we're ranging again. So I'm waiting for price to break structure within this range, but again, I was already kind of looking for buys. As you guys can see on this orange box, I already have some supply levels, some demand levels. Demand is when the market is trending upwards, supply is when the market is trending downwards. I already had some demand zones written out from yesterday. So we're going to go on down to the 5 minute, which is my entry time frame. And then market was right about here before it opened. And again, I just pulled these over just to kind of see, okay, maybe price could react from those. Originally, I was wanting market to come down here and then bounce higher. But as we started creeping towards market open, 9:30, I saw that price was rejecting the 50% line of this demand zone here. So me just being me and knowing to trade what I see and not what I feel, I did mark out this supply zone just in case, but then I added 5 contracts on here when market closed this candle right here. And then sure enough, at 9:30, market shot up, took me into this trade. I put my stop loss down here. I put my take profit for TP2 up here. And sure enough, in one candle, price did that. So let's go ahead and go down to the 1 minute time frame and see how long it took. And exactly 2 minutes, 1 minute candle and another minute candle, and TP2 is smashed. So again, you guys can see that price went all the way up here. All the way up here. And yes, I could have held it for all the way up there. However, we do have this obstacle, I like to call them, right here. But was I greedy to go get that? Because market surely could have just went right here, hit this support, hit this resistance level, and just shot right back down. But I wanted to take what the market was giving me, so I took the 1 to 2. And again, I made $250 across 4 accounts. I'm taking these accounts nice and slow because what happened when I got my first payout? I was feeling head over heels. I just felt like, oh, I'm Top Gun right now. And sure enough, I blew those accounts. And I was thinking to myself, bro, I don't even know how to trade anymore. But then I back tested, I went over my trades, I reflected over a few of my journals, and I understood what was going wrong. And now we're putting those into place in a slower motion. So I only used 5 contracts for this trade just because it was so close to market open. And we had this level right here that I was worried about. But once we broke this level, I deleted it. And price surely went up. Now, normally, again, I always want to take more, but I chose to lock myself out and take the dub that market gave me, which is putting me closer to my $3,000 target to get to 5 more funded accounts. We are on our way to another payout, and I don't want to rush it. Trading is not about getting money and getting money quick. Trading is about, can you stick to your rules? Can you be disciplined? And if your strategy is profitable and you win more than you lose, I promise you, you will see those payouts. So that's the journey that I'm on. I am on, I believe, day 4 or 5 of my 30 days of discipline challenge. I started one a while ago. You guys saw that. Failed like the 4th day. So let's see. My first month of trading, boom. My first month of discipline trading led me to December with my funded accounts, which led me to my first payout. So we're just starting over. I gotta create another calendar. This is January's calendar. I didn't start this until the end of January, so I need to make a February calendar. And we're just taking it one day at a time, one step at a time with these trades, you guys, so that we can achieve our next payout. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you have not followed me on TikTok, go ahead and do that. It's my same tag at Kaya Trades. And if you're interested in trading with me, I record all my live trading and post it in my Discord if people aren't able to make it on the call. But I go live every morning, Monday through Friday, with my NOT Next Level Trading community. So if you want to join that, go ahead and click that link in the description box, and you can ask me any questions you'd like, as well as take the trades I trade. So I will see you guys in the next video. Let's see if we can finish out the week strong.